Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was very good. We're gonna do the whole thing one more time. Follow my step.
It's day 17 for the kittens, and we're going to do their weigh-in. Who wants to go first? Buttercup, who should go first? Should we get little Max? Yes. Come on, little Max. Come on, sweetie. Oh, took you away. Took you away. Such a beautiful boy. Let's see how much you weigh. 333. That's fantastic. Yesterday you were 315. So that means you gained 18. And look at you holding your head up, being so inquisitive. Look at you, just about climbing out. You're just such a confident boy now. Do you want to go back and see Mom? Let's go see Mom. Yes, Mom is the best, right? Okay. Mom's wrestling you to the ground. And who's next? Well, there can only be one little guy who's next, and that's Wesley. Come on, Wesley. Oh my goodness, Wesley. Can't even get my hand around you. You're so chubby. You're so chubby. I can't even get my hand around you. You're only just over 2 weeks old. Let's weigh you. Let's weigh you, little guy. How much are you, Wesley? Oh, Wesley, you've joined the 400 Club. Look at you. 406 grams. Look at you, you're pretty much filling up the whole weighing thing. You little beauty. Listen to Mom. Mom's saying, somebody's missing. I need my baby back. Okay, let's put you back with Mom. Yeah, that's right, Buttercup. Babies don't belong out here in the big world, do they? No, babies belong with Mommy. There we go. Now everybody's back together. That's the way it should be. So 333 for Max and 407 for Wesley. These are big babies for just over 2 weeks old.
Whoa. Whoa.